Welcome to this shadowing exercise. I will read a sentence, and then he will repeat it. Try to speak along with him to practice your pronunciation. Let's begin. That deadline is super tight.
That deadline is super tight.
I definitely need more coffee.
I definitely need more coffee.
Can we push it back?
Can we push it back?
My boss is watching me.
My boss is watching me.
Let's crush this project today.
Let's crush this project today.
Is it due tomorrow morning?
Is it due tomorrow morning?
No more extensions for us.
No more extensions for us.
We are in crunch mode.
We are in crunch mode.
Don't panic, we got this.
Don't panic, we got this.
I am drowning in paperwork.
I am drowning in paperwork.
Just give me 1 more hour.
Just give me 1 more hour.
The clock is ticking fast.
The clock is ticking fast.
Lunch will have to wait.
Lunch will have to wait.
We finally made it, guys.
We finally made it, guys.
This is a total nightmare.
This is a total nightmare.
Can you lend a hand?
Can you lend a hand?
I am almost at the finish line.
I am almost at the finish line.
Time to submit the report.
Time to submit the report.
Let's grab a victory pizza.
Let's grab a victory pizza.
I'm losing my mind here.
I'm losing my mind here.
This is a top priority.
This is a top priority.
I need a quick extension.
I need a quick extension.
We're running out of time.
We're running out of time.
Send it just in time.
Send it just in time.
Let's pick up the pace.
Let's pick up the pace.
My calendar is completely full.
My calendar is completely full.
Let's prioritize this task first.
Let's prioritize this task first.
Can we skip the meeting?
Can we skip the meeting?
We are ahead of schedule.
We are ahead of schedule.
Deadline reminders help a lot.
Deadline reminders help a lot.
The project is on track.
The project is on track.
Let's celebrate after we finish.
Let's celebrate after we finish.
You're doing amazing. Thank you.
You're doing amazing. Thank you.